If you've seen any of my recent videos, you'll know that I'm working on a VoiceAttack profile which works with Eddie to guide you to a latitude and longitude on the surface of a planet. The purpose of this video is to show you a couple of new features. All of the current features are still operative. These are additional features that extend what you can do. The guidance takes you to the location you want to land by repeatedly calculating the heading, the range and the slope to the destination, and it does that at the moment with a 1 second pause between iterations. It's now possible to vary that interval, so if you're on a large planet, for instance, and you don't need to have those values reported every second, you can increase the interval. I prefer to have it set to 1 second because I just feel that I need that information as I get close to the destination. The command I'll speak now will demonstrate a couple of things. Set landing guidance interval.
Speak a number between 1 and 9.
1. Number complete.
The landing guidance interval is set to 1 second.
So two things about this. I've changed the interval, but I've also demonstrated how you enter numbers into the profile. You speak each digit slowly, giving the profile time to recognize and incorporate each digit into the number. It also recognizes negative numbers by speaking a minus sign and also a decimal point, so you can add numbers with as many decimal places as you like. What I'm going to do next is show the next new feature is the ability to land on a body without using a waypoint command, which is the current approach in the currently released profile. In this scenario, you just enter a location by its latitude and longitude and fly in. You don't have to identify which body you want to land on. So I'll demonstrate that now. First of all, I'm going to capture the position. Latitude -33.1. Number complete. Longitude 31.2795. Number complete. That illustrates then the capture of the location. I'm looking across at the VoiceAttack log and I can see the numbers being captured. So that's set in variable. So now all that remains is to fly to the body and be guided in. Going to Super Cruise first of all. So I'm flying in sideways as usual, so it's easy to change the bearing once the values are reported. Need to get into orbital cruise in order to detect the radius of the body. Eddie has a near surface event which
orbital flight engaged.
Makes that radius available. And once we're in orbital cruise, we can begin the guidance. Landing guidance.
140. -18 degrees. 479 kilometers. 152 minus 18 degrees 306 kilometers 152 minus 18 degrees 223 kilometers 152 minus 26 degrees 124 kilometers 152
So getting quite close
minus
now.
45 degrees
So we need to start
48
dropping down.
kilometers 158 minus 59 degrees 16 kilometers 166 minus 85 degrees 645 meters 335 minus 45 degrees 2 kilometers 340 minus 37 degrees 2 kilometers 348 minus 34 degrees 1 kilometer 349 minus 34 degrees 609 meters 344 minus 56 degrees 84 meters. Landing guidance stopped. You have arrived at your destination. Waypoint cleared.
So there we are. We were guided in to within 500 meters of the target location. It's not difficult. It is difficult to see the position with this default HUD coloring, but I'm at minus 33.1 and 31.2795, which is exactly what I asked it to do. So there we are. That's the latest extension to this profile. It's currently in test, and I'll be releasing it, and I'll put the location of the GitHub project and the wiki in the text below the video. Hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you use the profile and have fun with it.